Let's answer this first example from 9709 S20 qp31 question number 9, specifically only for letter A. But before that one, please don't forget this is the summary, the one that you need to remember all the time. So, with respect to the origin O, the vertices of triangle ABC, we have a triangle that is A, B, and C, and have these position vectors given by them. Using a scalar product, show that angle ABC, this angle, okay, is a right angle. So for you to be able to show that it's a right angle, therefore you need to get BA, okay, that is this one, because you want to get the angle between them. BA dot BC, you need to get this angle BC, okay, and what is that? First, let's try to get those angle. So B dot A, let's try to find BA. What is BA? BA is equal to OA minus OB. Alright, what is our OA minus OB? This is our OA, and this is our OB. So that's going to be 2i minus 3i. So that's negative I. And then 0j here minus 2j. So this is minus 2j. And then 5k minus 3k plus 2k. Alright? So that is your BA. I think let me now plug it in here for my BA. That is -1, -2, and 2 as a column vector. Then you want to dot it with BC. First, let's try to find BC. What did we say? BC is equal to OC minus OB. OC minus OB. So if you have OC minus OB, alright, you have OC minus OB. So let me just remove this one, erase, so we're not confused. So I minus 3i, that is negative 2i. J minus 2j, that is minus j. K minus 3k, that is minus 2k. So this is -2, -1, -2. And which formula are we going to use? Are we going to use number 1 or number 2? Basically, because the question is about the angle, so let's use first these. Actually, we're going to use both, but we can use first the number 2. So using the number 2, -1 times -1 is positive 2. -1 times -2 is positive 2. 2 times -2 is -4. As you can see, this is equal to 0. Alright? Then we can only use one. No need to use both. So why? Because the question says it is right angle or they are orthogonal. Then now you can make a conclusion. Since BA dot BC is equal to 0, therefore ABC, angle ABC is 90 degrees. That's it. So on the next video, let's discuss the next example. Thank you.